Hi dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is regarding Wellman conception. Wellman conception is a full range of multivitamin for males which contains all those vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which is helping to increase the chances of conception in males. Wellman conception helps to reduce infertility issues in males. It also increases the quantity and quality of sperms as well as it reduces the chances of erectile dysfunction. Wellman conception is a dietary supplement which increases the motility of sperms and helps to increase the male libido. Wellman conception contains all those nutrients which is not only increasing the energy level of a body but it also increases the stamina of a body as well as it reduces the weakness of a body. Now let's talk about the important nutrients which are available in Wellman conception. The first one is Siberian ginseng, which increases the male libido, increases sperm count and increases the energy level of a body. The second one is maca extract. It increases the male libido. It also helps in reducing erectile dysfunction and helps to increase the quality of sperms. The third important one is coenzyme CoQ10. It is a powerful antioxidant which increases the motility of sperms. It increases the fertility chances and hence increases the conceptions in male. L-arginine and L-carnitine helps to develop the structure and form of a mature sperm. It helps to increase the quantity and quality of sperms. Octacasanol in this formula helps to release the testosterone hormone which ultimately reduces the infertility issues in males. Inositol in Wellman conception helps to improve the movement of sperms. Glutathione also do the same job here like inositol. Citrus bioflavonoids helps to improve the quantity of sperms. Zinc, B6, B12, magnesium and selenium helps to produce new sperms as well as improve the quality of sperms. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E helps in developing a better reproductive health. Copper, chromium and manganese helps to improve the overall health of sperms. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.